How to get a fishing license in California. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. California offers different fishing licenses depending on whether you are a resident or a non-resident. You can purchase yearly, short-term, or even lifetime licenses. To get started, choose the right license for you. For example, a resident sport fishing license costs around $62, while a non-resident license is about $170. Once you have selected your license, don't forget about validation or report card. Check the back of your license for these. For instance, if you are fishing in the ocean, you need an ocean enhancement validation for an extra $7. There are also short-term sport fishing licenses available for 1 day, 2 days, or 10 days, along with the necessary validations and report card. After choosing your license and any needed report cards, you can buy them online through the California Department of Fish and Wildlife website at a CDFW office or from authorized agents. You can also purchase from some stores or trusted websites like Amazon. Lifetime licenses are also available and prices vary based on age. For payment, credit or debit cards are accepted, but note the CDFW offices do not accept cash, so be sure to have your card ready. Once you pay, your fishing license will be emailed to you or you can print it directly from the site, and you are all set.